Hi there mga beloved yung soulmates. Kamusta po kayong lahat? Nandito ang pinyuling ko Renzo Taro Channel para bigyan kayo ng isang soulful and meaningful letter reading. Dito lamang po sa inyo lagi nabangan ng pinakamahal na Renzo Taro Channel. May kami ka-shoutout po sa lahat ng ating soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na laging nanonood. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Ang ating po reading ngayon pagsasamaan ay isang general reading para sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Capricorn. This is for you, Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. I know that you're so excited. So, sige po, kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel, ay huwag po kayo mahiyang mag-comment, like, share, and post. Don't forget to subscribe. Kapag napapanood nyo po ito ngayon sa aking TikTok account, so welcome po to comment also, repost, share, and of course, don't forget also to follow. So, if you want to avail personal reading, mag-DM po kayo sa aking TikTok account. And of course, pag-usapan po natin doon kung paano po kayo makakapag-avail. Actually, this past 3 days ay super busy po yung lingkod sa mga nagpa-personal reading po. So, why don't you try mag-book and mag-avail po ng ating personal reading. Sige, this is for you, Capricorn. Kunin na natin ang isang 10 baraha. Speak universe, speak guys, angels, ancestors, 10 cards please for Capricorn. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Simula noon hanggang ngayon na hindi niyo po ako iniiwan. And ayun po, I hope you're doing good, you're healthy, you're safe, and of course you're happy. Keep safe po every day ha. Maraming salamat po. So last 4 cards for you, Capricorn. Kamusta kayo mga Capricorn kong soulmates? So last 1 card for you. Okay, Capricorn, your 10 cards are now complete. So, huwag nating patagalin pa ito. Lock in. Okay, for your general reading, Capricorn, this is a beautiful opening card. You know what? I can see, this is a strength card. So, these past weeks and past month, it seems na parang labo-labo ang lahat para sa'yo. May blessing, may mga, everything, may mga dumadating. But it seems na hindi talaga nakokontrol na may mga biglaan, yung mga problema. I can see lately na parang hindi mo nga makontrol yung emotions mo. Parang you are at the point of, parang gusto mo naman na parang habaan pang ang pasensya mo, but parang what is this? Hindi mo talaga magawa ng paraan para kontrolin. But this is strength card. So expect Capricorn for a transformation, for a big transformation with your emotions, with your beliefs, with your habits, with your personality. This is a total transformation for you. Parang nakita ko dito, parang maglalay-low na kayo. Parang kahit paano, hindi na kayo magpapa-stress sa mga bagay-bagay because you are looking for happiness. You are looking for the peace of mind. So, ngayon parang, magpapapetex-petex na kayo. Maririnig kayong mga reaction from other people. You will not mind them. If there's a situation, yes, haharapin niyo siya. Gagawa niyo ng paraan, susolusyonan niyo. But hindi na kayo magpapa-stress talaga, Capricorn. With this strength card. Ito ang nakikita ko dito, ha? So, tingnan natin. Pangalawa, look at this one. Talagang kinonfirm tayo ng bara. Queen of Wands, this is maturity. This is discipline. This is a total transformation. Hindi lang sa personality, hindi lang sa emotions. So expect in all aspect of your life. So you will be starting, Capricorn, na mag-hermit mode, mag-solitude, mapag-isa, magpakalayo-layo muna. Parang wala munang updates na malalaman sa'yo. Nag-enjoy ka na mag-isa. You are loving yourself more than before. So parang priority mo ngayon ang sarili mo. Parang I can see her with this Queen of Wands na parang basta top of mind mo ngayon ay unahin na muna ang kasiyahan at mga needs ng iyong sarili. Okay? So this is a good job and this is a good move or what is action, Capricorn. Para at least somehow, because maybe you will be doing shadow work, reflection, introspection. Kasi parang lately nga, parang naubos mo ang iyong energy sa kaka-please ng ibang tao. But this time, I can see a total transformation for you, Capricorn, in terms of, personality and habits and emotions. So, okay. Knight of Swords in reverse. Lately, parang may mga na-involve ka daw, Capricorn, sa mga, mga conflict. Parang may nakasagutan, may nagkaroon na nag-cause ng kalungkutan, or like in sadness, parang puot, sakit sa damdamin, may miscommunication, misunderstanding sa mga tao. I don't know who are these people, maybe natulungan mo, naging close sa buhay mo, family members, friendship, nagkaroon ng kayo ng alitan or parang hindi pagkakaintindihan sa mga bagay-bagay. But because this is in reverse, bumaliktad na siya. So, expect Capricorn na kahit papano, you are the kind of Capricorn now na parang hahabaan na naman ang pasensya. If there's a situation, the same situation that may arise ngayon, parang hindi na ganun katulad ng dati yung magiging response mo. So, you will be now more patient. You will be now more understanding. Mas mahaba na naman ang pasensya. Isipin mo na lang na parang ayoko na ng gulo, ayoko na ng ingay. So, Capricorn, ito yung magiging mantra mo. Hindi mo napapatulan, ikaw na lang yung papakumbaba, ikaw na lang yung mananahimik with this Knight of Swords in reverse. Okay? So, ito. Because you really wanted daw, Capricorn, ng peace of mind and happiness. To the point na kahit ikaw nga yung agrabyado, ikaw pa yung naging biktima, parang, okay, ikaw nang panalo, bahala ka. Basta ang gusto ko ngayon, manahimik na muna. Gusto ko ng peace of mind, ayoko ng stress, ayoko ng problema. Ito, ayan o, may mga sword, ikaw na mismo ang tatanggal, ikaw na mismo ang bababa sa sarili mo. Para ikaw na mismo ang lalayo para ma-attain mo or makuha mo itong yellow background sa likod, which is happiness and contentment. Kumbaga, kota ka na sa mga stress, kota ka na sa mga toxic na tao. Now, this is the best time. Iisipin mo talaga, magpapakalayo ka, magta-travel ka. So, you will be in a hermit mode, hindi ka muna magpaparamdam. Kasi, kumbaga, kotang-kota ka na talaga. Gustong-gusto mo munang manahimik, gusto mo munang maging masaya, walang iniisip na problema, wala kang naririnig. So, gagawin mo talaga ito, Capricorn. Whether you like it or not, it is necessary. Kailangan mo na talagang mag-cut off. Okay, kailangan mo talagang lumayo. Because etong gusto mo, yellow color, happiness talaga eh. Hindi ka masaya kasi puro stress ang dinudulot ng mga tao at mga sitwasyon sa paligid mo. Tama ba, Capricorn? Mag-comment nga kayo kapag naka-resonate kayo, ha? So, Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Kabaliktad. Dati, ganito ka. But I mean, sobra-sobra ang pera. May mga, kung hindi sobra-sobra man, meron, pero para I mean, hindi kayo namang problema. But na, because this is in reverse, sorry, is, ang nakikita ko dito, parang may mga unwanted expenses kayong na-involve. Parang bigla kayong bumili ng property, bagong bahay, bagong sasakyan, jewelry, whatsoever, na parang hindi mo na-control ang yung expenses. Ito walang question dito bilang Capricorn, Queen of Pentacles, talagang may sinasabi ka in terms of money. Kayo yung tao na parang ang alam ng tao ay wala talagang problema kapag sa pera. Hindi man mayaman, totally, but at least kapag pera pinag-usapan, hindi kayo talaga namang problema. But this is in reverse with this Queen of Pentacles. I can see here siguro may mga mismanaged lang na finances lately, and also parang may mga napaggastosan lang kayo. That's why parang ngayon biglang naipit kayo sa sitwasyon na you need a big amount of money para masolusyonan yung parang hindi nyo na control na mga gastos nitong nakaraang buwan or nakaraang linggo. Okay? So, sige. Before I proceed to our last 5 cards with our second row, Capricorn, ulitin ko kapag nakaresonate po kayo, mag-comment kayo, like, share, and of course, don't forget to subscribe our channel. At sa ating mga TikTok viewers, please huwag kayo mahiya ha, na mag-comment rin, share, repost, and of course, follow our TikTok account. Mag-DM rin po kayo for personal reading if you want. Okay? So, Capricorn, let's continue with a magician. So, as expected. So, no question at all. Lagi kong sinasabi yan kapag reading ko ng Capricorn. So, you have everything. Eto, pinapatunayan lang ito na matalino ka, maganda ka, pogi ka, talented ka, gifted ka. Nasa yun ang lahat. So, wala kang choice para hindi umunlad sa buhay. You don't have no reason para hindi mo iangat ang sarili mo. Andyan yung cups, andyan yung pentacle, andyan yung wand, andyan yung sword. So sabi ko nga, di ba kay mga Capricorn, you always rise to the top. Lagi yung ginugulat ang mga tao. During those time na you are very down, it seems that there are situations that are hopeless at parang impossible na makabangon pa. Bigla-bigla gugulatin yung maraming tao, andyan ka lilitaw at ikaw ang magtatagumpay. Paano nasolusyonan ni Capricorn yun? Okay? Kasi kayo yung mga taong parang sa maliit pa lang, sa murang edad pa lang, maliit pa lang kayo, parang pinatanda na kayo ng responsibilities. Okay? So that's why lumaki kayo na parang you will do your best to strive hard, magsipag para umangat o makaalis sa isang sitwasyon na hindi maganda o kaaya-aya para sa inyo, Capricorn. This Magician card is telling you, Capricorn, that you have no reason not to succeed. you are guaranteed of success. You are guaranteed of good news, prosperity, and abundance. Okay? You don't need to worry. Maybe you don't understand kung ano man nangyari sa lately at ngayon kung may naranasan man kayo. But you are assured. Believe me, I am telling you, with this Magician card Capricorn, magtutuloy-tuloy. Maybe other people do not understand you. It's okay. You don't need to explain yourself. But you should go forward. Just focus on your goal. With this Magician card, you are assured that you are on the right track, Capricorn. Nasa tamang landas ka. Okay? So, Hangman, those hanged moment, the past months, the past weeks na parang malabo ang lahat. Although, okay naman, but seems na parang in terms of mga decisions, parang labo-labo, yung emotions, di mo maintindihan, parang magulo ang lahat. Those are over kasi magkasunod sila ng magician. So, expect Capricorn na unti-unting gagaan ang buhay mo, ang pag-iisip mo, ang nararamdaman mo sa susunod sa mga darating na araw with this hanged man. So this is stagnancy but this will be over. Matatapos na itong pagkatenga mo. Matatapos na itong parang buhay na nararamdaman mo na parang walang improvement or parang yung manifestations mo or yung prayers mo ay hindi dumarating sa'yo o parang kusang lumalayo sa'yo. This hanged man, believe me, this is now finished. This is complete already. Tapos na ito, Capricorn. So you don't need to worry. Okay? So, King of Swords. Kita mo ha? Sabi ko, lately, may mga miscommunications, may mga conflict. So, kung hindi pa siya nasusolusyonan, Capricorn, so you need to face it. Gumawa ka ng paraan. Ikaw na ang magpakumbaba, ikaw na ang gumawa ng way para ma-settle ito. Okay? I'm not saying na kasi talagang kayo yung klase ng tao na palaban. You don't give a shit. You don't give a F. Okay? So, what I mean is, yes, that's a good thing. Kaya mong panindigan ang mga action at salita mo. Pero kung kaya mo namang magpakababa, kung kaya mo namang habaan ang pasensya at ikaw na mismo ang, maging humble. So, much better, mas doble at triple ang blessings na kapalit niyan and yung recognition. Kasi kilala kayo bilang tao na palaban, walang inuurungan. I don't care. Ganun ang ano nyo eh. Ganun nyo yung paniniwala nyo, di ba Capricorn? But this time, this is not the best time para makipagmatigasan. This is not the best time, Capricorn, para i-maintain yung pride na nasa taas. Paminsan-minsan, kailangan mo ding magpakababa. Okay? So, I can see her partnership, collaboration. So, ang katapat niya is, sabi ko nga, kailangan mong lumayo or mag-cut off or nag-cut ties na kayo para maging masaya kayo. So, what does it mean? Kapag nagawa nyo yan or nag-cut off na kayo, so of course, wala nang toxicities, negativities. Malaya ng isip mo, masaya ka na. So, I can expect more offers, more partnership, more blessings to come in your way. Okay? So, don't be surprised kung may mga taong biglang darating sa'yo, lalapit na, subukan mo ito. Alam mo, may offer kasi maganda, makakatulong to sa'yo. So, expect network. May mga bagong kilala kang taong makikilala ka na maaring makatulong sa business mo, makatulong sa problema mo, mag-expand ng skills mo, makadevelop ng talent mo, makadiscover na kung anong meron ka. So, this is about partnership. This is about collaboration, Capricorn. And dyan kayo magaling. Okay, magaling kayo makipag-socialize, magaling kayo makipag-network, makipag-connect sa ibang tao. I-harness mo yan, gamitin mo yan sa mas mabuti, Capricorn. Okay? Tapusin natin tong 10th and last card mo. Tapusin natin tong general reading mo, sorry, Capricorn, with your 10th and last card. This is wish being granted. This is manifestations being fulfilled. This is good news. This is blessing. This is positive result. The star card is telling you, Capricorn, be still, focus sa goal, don't mind other people. So, there's a big blessing. There's good news that is waiting for you. Your craft, your talent will be discovered. Your name will be, will be you will be shining and your name will be revealed. You will be discovered. Magiging matunog ang pangalan mo, makikilala ang galing mo, maraming taong hahanga sa'yo, maraming taong magpa-follow sa'yo. Capricorn, if you're working in social media, so expect more followers. Expect people that will discover your niche, that will discover your talent and skills. Sabi ko nga, with this magician, you don't have a reason not to succeed, Capricorn, because nasa iyo na ang lahat. Capricorn? So, I am so happy with this reading because this is a reminder how great, how gifted, how blessed you are, Capricorn, para mag-give up at hindi magpatuloy. You have everything. So, just focus and everything will fall into place for you. I'm wishing you all the best, Capricorn, in life. So, I hope and pray na marami nasasign ng Capricorn na makaparad ito ngayon. And kapag nagustuhan nyo, ulitin ko po, mag-subscribe po kayo, mag-comment, like, and share. So, my TikTok followers, please repost, share, and of course, i-like nyo na rin po and follow our TikTok channel, Renzo Taro 444. Maraming salamat sa inyong muling pagsama sa inyong lingkod. Nasa mga kayo ngayon, naroroon, ano man ginagawa nyo. Mga pinamahal kong Capricorn, as always, mag-ingat kayo lagi and God bless us all.